Saturday, August 31st, 2024. Focus. To everyone who has will more be given, and he will have an abundance. But from the one who has not, even what he has will be taken away. In the first reading, St. Paul declares that God chooses the foolish to shame the strong, so that no human being might boast in the presence of God. This teaches us humility. For on our own we cannot do anything, but with the Lord's grace nothing is too difficult. Today's Gospel has another of the wonderful parables of Jesus, the parable of the talents. The master is naturally pleased with the two servants who doubled his money, but he is enraged with the third servant who was given 1 talent and simply returned intact. His excuse? He knew that his master reaped where he had not sown, and gathered where he had not scattered no seed. Today's psalmist exclaims, "Blessed the people whom the Lord has chosen as his heritage." The surest way to be among God's chosen heritage is to be humble and faithful. Yet, faithfulness is neither simple nor appealing. Pope Francis once said, "There is no faithfulness without risk." Fidelity to God means handing over our life, letting our carefully laid plans be disrupted by our need to serve. Fruit: let us live lives of humble faithfulness to God's will, that He may use our talents for His glory and grant us for His abundance.